Today I'm going to show you how to remove text in Adobe Photoshop. First, create a new layer. Let's name it Remove Text. Now from the toolbar, select your Remove tool. Click the gear icon or setting at the top. Under the color, you can choose any color for brush. So I'm gonna choose black. You can also decrease the opacity of your brush by dragging this slider. Make sure Sample All Layers is checked. Now you can paint over these texts, and they will be deleted automatically. The purpose of this remove after each stroke at the top, if you tick the box and you paint the text, it automatically remove the text. And if there is no check, and you paint the text, you can paint it simultaneously. And once you're done, just click Enter into your keyboard, or click the checkmark icon at the top, and it is automatically remove the text. But for now, for me it's better to choose the checked icon, so that when you paint the text it is automatically removed. So now you just continue to paint this remaining text. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.